Hey everybody, welcome to our meteorology segment. We decided to cover meteorology as a separate video today. So here we are looking at the NASA GOES lightning mapper for the US. Lightning continues to strike in Texas, also Montana, North Dakota, a little bit in southern Louisiana, and off of the Atlantic coast of the US. Tons of lightning here in southern Mexico. Here's the real-time lightning maps. I like to use lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzachtung.org. Anyway, there's the global lightning scenario. Next, taking a look at jet streams of the eastern world. We see some major kinks in the jet stream here over New Zealand. The area in between New Zealand and Australia there, you see a 180-degree bend. Also tripled up jet streams here west of Australia and extremely chaotic jet streams in the northern hemisphere. Backward jet stream flow over places like Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and the Indian Ocean. Jet stream blowing east to west instead of the normal way, west to east. Here are the surface winds. Quite strong winds in the southern Indian Ocean here, and areas near the South Geomagnetic Pole, south of Australia. The South Geomagnetic Pole, by the way, is someplace down here. Thousands of miles from the South Geographic Pole and well off of the Antarctican continent. Next, looking at surface winds of the west. There's the western world surface winds. And we see some very calm conditions around the Azores in the North Atlantic there off the coast of Portugal. Here are the jet streams of the west, and look at the chaotic jet streams once again over the North Atlantic and over the US. Extremely chaotic jet streams really over the entire western world. And we see an anticyclone here rotating counterclockwise south of the equator. A likely high pressure zone. Continuing on to look at pressure cells. So here we are on windy.com. They've got a great mobile app, by the way, and we're not paid to say that yet. But check out the powerful low pressure systems here around the South Polar region. Very powerful one here south of Australia, as well as south of the Atlantic Ocean there. Anyway, let's advance this into tomorrow. There's where we expect pressure to be at 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow. And next we're going to show you temperature anomaly. So this is Tropical Tidbits, the thermodynamics forecast, the 2-meter temperature anomaly. So temperature anomaly is at the surface level. Check it out. India is very cold right now. In fact, all of Antarctica is anomalously cold. When you see those purple regions, that's 12 degrees Celsius below normal. I'll just allow that to play. Pay attention to the time and date stamps, folks. Anyway, that's the GFS forecast for temperature anomaly through Friday, June 11th. A bit of a distant forecast, but in any case, let's get back to more current data. Here's the U.S. Doppler radar map, and if you're wondering what a Doppler radar does, it measures vertical motion of water in the air column. Louisiana seeing some heavy rains across almost the entire state, as those systems look like they're stagnating there. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. Let me speed that up. And here's the water vapor map. Once again, we're seeing dry air up here. This is a high pressure zone. Dry air acting as a barrier to prevent this moisture from escaping. This moisture is going to make a right and head east when it strikes that dry mass of air. And if you're wondering about dry mass of air, dry air is more massive than moist air. It's just a fact. The heck? There we go. There's the cloud layer once again. There's the U.S. Doppler radar. There's the cloud layer. And there's the water vapor. Hopefully that gives you some insight. Thanks for tuning in to the meteorology segment. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from Smash News Network. Least busted. Name in news.